Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll continue our discussion with the questions pertaining to the test of mathematics, and we'll try to understand the kind of questions that are asked and our ideal approach towards tackling each and every one of these. So let's take a look at the question here. The sides of triangles are given by root under b square plus c square, root under c square plus a square plus root under a square plus b square, where a, b, c are positive. Then the area of the triangle is equal to, okay, so it's given here. So now let's do one thing. Say cos A can be given as c square plus a square plus a square plus b square minus square c square by 2 the c square plus a square to a square plus b square. Okay, so it can be written in this way, which is equal to a square by root under c square plus a square plus b square. Okay, again sin A can be written as c square plus a square plus b square minus a to the power 4, the entire thing under the root, divided by c square plus a square plus b square, which can be written as b square c square plus a square b square plus c square a square the entire thing divided by in root under c square plus a square and a square plus b square. Okay, so therefore if you talk about the area would be given by half to root under plus a square plus b square c square plus c square a square plus square b square. This entire thing under the root divided by again root under c square plus a square plus b square. Okay, which would in turn give us half root under b square plus c square, b square c square plus c square a square plus a square b square, the entire thing under the root. Okay, so if we take a look at the option half b square c square plus c square a square plus b square, so option A is a correct answer. So I hope this is clear. Basically we simply found the sine and cos components, and subsequently we took all the values given and then just solved out for you. So in case you're having difficulty trying to understand, go through the video as many times as you feel comfortable enough to attempt this question on your own, and also try to solve this question on your own with this video as a reference. So with that being said, I believe we have come to the end of our video. So in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. And We'll continue discussion in next video. So that's it. I'm signing out. Thank you so much.